So today we are in Prompong neighborhood, and behind me is the Prompong BTS station, and we will explore today how it is Prompong area, because I see and I read that Prompong is a very nice place for you if you want to go to the mall, if you want to chill in the restaurant, and then just pretty close by the Asok station.
And basically it's also very great place to stay when you're coming to Bangkok for the very first time though. Because there is the Mercure Ibis, and this is the UOB bank by the way, but you're not gonna go to the bank, I believe. This is headquarters anyways. There is behind is Hilton. This is one, the mall, it's called M Quarters. This is actually very cool mall. We're gonna get inside. The BTS station and the train is coming actually just right here, right now. So everything is very easy connected. And just on the other side, there is this big Chanel shop. There is actually Asok and the Terminal 21 and the Soy Cowboy if you would like to go, all of the stuffs in general. But this one is also a little bit more luxury part of the Bangkok, so we're gonna explore, why not?
How Bangkok is famous for, and look at the train.
So cool, right? That's how it is. Very easy access, and there on the other side of the train is actually another mall. We're also gonna go there. And that's the hotels where I mentioned before, and the UOB. Okay, let's get inside the M Quarter first. So many people actually getting to this mall, so must be cool. When you just enter the mall, the first shop what you can see is the golf shop. So that means there is the interest of the golf in Bangkok. That's also interesting. So you know where to go if you are playing golf in Bangkok, by the way. You can even find the shops of the ski project, where you can buy the ski equipment. If you would like to go for ski somewhere in Asia, for example in Japan, you can stock up yourself here in Bangkok. And of course there are luxury brands like a Dolce & Gabbana, Louis V, Chanel, and everything what you want here. And this is the view from the one of the balcony overlooking the Balenciaga, of course, and Saint Laurent. But also Arabica is here, so it's very cool. And down there are restaurant, some zone for the performance, but I'm not sure if it's something is going on today. And they have even little waterfalls there. That's actually cool, and this is like a very open air concept here. Let's explore more.
And I think that this is also famous for the best fine dining in Bangkok.
Obviously have also H&M and Zara and all of the stuff, regular brands, so it's not only as luxury. And we are going looking for the area of the waterfall, because I heard there's waterfall. At least outside looking cool.
One thing is I just realized here there are so many expats actually living in this area, what I can say as the high-end expat. So yeah.
Also they have a Jim Thompson silk shop, what we mentioned actually yesterday. Also you can buy yourself air purifier if you are living in the big city like Bangkok. The air can be dry, yes Saya?
Yeah.
You wanna buy?
Maybe.
Yeah, this is the shop like with stuffs like this one actually. We are going to the waterfall quarter over there, but the shops is actually many interesting shops everywhere around here, to be honest, right? And if you're gonna go to the ground floor or level B, actually this is ground floor, building B, there are so many buildings, there's so many interesting food options actually everywhere around. And this is how does it look like outside though. Pretty nice mall, little bit different concept, Moza by Coco. So many actually ex-parties, and there is some performance as we mentioned before. And then there is the Government Eats, food court similar to this one in the mall like Siam Paragon, for example. Just this one is less crowded compared to the Siam Paragon, but it's pretty similar brand and similar vibe. In general, many nice stuffs everywhere around, like this one. And we are still looking for the waterfall. Not sure if we're gonna find this though, but must be somewhere. And overall, the mall is definitely more into luxury level. Also, I forgot to mention on the other side of the mall summer, there is Four Seasons in Bangkok. So if you stay in the Four Seasons, you should be familiar with this area. Eventually we arrived to somewhere called Quartier Water Garden. This is the area. This is actually the purpose why we came to this mall today.
Oh, let's go this one.
Okay,
The
let's go
Helix Water
explore.
Garden.
If you see the Starbucks with the statues, pinky statues like this one and something like this one, but the Starbucks here this is the right place. We're gonna show you around because this is more interesting than just the shops. And this is the spiral, like this one. Basically, there is so many gardens inside. This one is actually, if we can compare to something, is similar a little bit like somewhere in Singapore. Actually, that's my personal observation. We like to comparing places nowadays. But overall, yeah, it's pretty cool. I think Four Seasons is also behind us. Let's try to get inside, yeah? And also the hall where is this spiral thingy and the waterfall in the fountains and generally so much natural plants inside the building is dedicated for the dining plaza actually in the mall. They said as there is the 50 most finest restaurants in the area over here. So that's actually pretty cool. From my observations, I realized there is so many expertise living in this part of Bangkok in general. And yeah, this is it. We found this. That's the most important thing. We're gonna explore a little bit what else we can find here except the restaurants, of course. As you can see, you can go up and all of the 5 floors. Actually, this is 5th floor. There is 9th floor. But the key is as there is like so much natural green things, like plants, the water is coming from the floors. So it's a little bit similar like in Singapore. They have a concept like this one in many places. And yeah, and this is the spiral thing. Actually, there is no waterfall on it, but there is spiral thing. All right, where we are going now, baby?
Okay, let's explore different area. Probably let's go to the next door.
Now let's go to the another mall on the other side of the, well, BTS actually passage. This is the Louis Vuitton, Gucci, and Tiffany & Co. But this one is actually cute. That's why I want to get inside. Let's see what is there for 1 or 2 minutes. Basically, if you enter inside, there's of course Gucci shop, Louis V, Cartier, nice wall on the top with the lights, and all of them, they actually luxury shops here. So I don't think so that's for us place, sayang.
Okay.
Let's look for 7-Eleven.
Let's go down there.
As the conclusion, this is actually a very cool area, very cool malls here. If you are looking for luxury shopping, that's without any doubts. And if you don't want to go far, like going to the Icon Siam, which in my opinion is still better than this one, but that's my honest personal opinion, you can come here because this one is very easy accessible to the other central locations, obviously, right? Okay, now we're seriously going down and looking for 7-Eleven. And there is something exciting is coming. The artist making painting in progress live. That's cool. That's actually cool. Also down there, where is the drop-off and pick-up. Actually, it's very pinkish because all of the pinky rabbit decorations and also Main Street, of course. So now you know what to expect in the area very close to us. And if you don't want to go just to Soi Kai Boy or something like that, you can also go for the shopping. This is big city Bangkok, malls, food courts, food, bars, shopping malls. This is what is Bangkok about. And also, looking at these pinky lights here, I would like to say thank you so much for watching. I will see you as always tomorrow or something new. I hope so, something new. See ya, take care.